Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning mind map with MindMup, perfect for organizing your thoughts and illustrating your ideas in a visual and engaging way. Whether you're planning a project, brainstorming a topic, or just exploring a concept, this tool is a great way to bring clarity and creativity to the forefront. To get started, head over to MindMup.com. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in to access all the functionalities that MindMup offers. After logging in, you have the option to create a new map or open an existing one, depending on what you need for your current project. If you're starting fresh, select Create New Map to begin your new mind map journey. You'll notice a central node in the new map. This is your starting point, your main idea. Click directly on this node, which will activate edit mode, and rename it to A Day in Paradise. This will serve as the overarching concept we'll be exploring. Next, you'll want to dive into more specific elements of your day in paradise. To do this, press the Tab key on your keyboard. This action will add a child node branching out from the central point. In this new node, type Morning Arrival. This represents the first segment of your day. Once you have your first child node, press Enter to add a sibling node, representing another aspect of the day. Type Exploring the Shore. This depicts a continuation of your idyllic day by the sea. Keep this momentum going by pressing Enter again to add more sibling nodes. You'll want to include Under the Palms, followed by Midday Bliss, and finally, Sunset Farewell, as they mirror different times and elements of your day. Optional, but potentially very impactful, is adding notes to these nodes to give them more depth and act as slide captions if you're presenting this mind map. To add notes, simply click on any node, which will bring up additional options. Here, you'll find an icon resembling a sticky note. Click on this to enter your notes for each node. For Morning Arrival, you might write, "The day begins with golden light, setting the scene for the start of this beautiful day." Exploring the Shore can have, "Soft waves greet your every step, evoking the gentle embrace of the ocean." For Under the Palms, a note saying, "Find shade under swaying palms," will convey the peace and relaxation beneath the trees. In Midday Bliss, type "Crystal waters and endless sky," capturing the essence of a perfect midday. Finally, under Sunset Farewell, you can describe, "As the sun dips, memories remain," bringing a poetic closure to your day. With these steps and notes, your mind map will now be a rich, detailed representation of your concept. Feel free to explore additional features and customize your map even further to suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!